Hey friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the numbers counting with multiple colors of rings. Here we go. Let's start with number 1. Yellow color 1. One yellow color ring. Number 2. Green color number 2. Two green rings. 1 and 2. Number 3. Indigo color number 3. 3 indigo rings. 1, 2 and 3. Number 4. Pink color number 4. 4 pink color rings. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 5. Red color number 5. 5 red color rings. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 6. Green color number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The next number is 7. Orange color number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 orange color rings. Number 8. Light pink color number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number 9. Blue color number 9. 9 blue color rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The final number is 10. Red color number 10. 10 red color rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us. Please subscribe our channel.